When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. It just never gets old when our customers post this type of experience online. We take pride in knowing we're making our customers happy, makes us happy, as we continue to work hard to provide the best service possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like to be that to you. So give us a chance to show you what we can do. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.